Do you ever feel like no matter how hard you study, you just can't get ahead? You try, you revise, you stay up late, but others always seem to perform better than you. What if I told you there's a way to study smarter, not harder? A method that top students use, and it's rooted in principles that have guided generations of successful learners. Most students make this mistake: studying without a clear plan, memorizing without understanding, forgetting everything after exams, feeling exhausted but unproductive. You feel stressed, lost, and maybe even hopeless. But here's the truth: success in studies isn't just about working harder, it's about strategy, focus, and the right mindset. Let's break it down. Step 1. Intention and focus. Before you even start studying, set a clear intention. Decide, I am learning this to improve myself, to reach my goals, and to use knowledge wisely. This mindset makes every minute of your study more productive. Even if you study for 1 hour with full focus, it can be more valuable than 5 hours of distracted studying. Step 2. Organize your day. Top students follow a schedule: short, focused study sessions, breaks to rest the mind, reviewing past material daily, prioritizing hard subjects. First, consistency beats cramming. A small amount of daily progress compounds into massive results over time. Step 3. Active learning. Don't just read or memorize. Write notes in your own words. Teach the material to someone else, even yourself. Ask questions. Solve real problems. This strengthens your memory and understanding. Even centuries ago, scholars used similar methods: learning by writing, explaining, and repeating. Step 4. Memory techniques. If you want to remember everything, try these techniques. Use mental images to link ideas, create stories to remember sequences, use flashcards or short quizzes, repeat key concepts regularly. Memory is like a muscle. The more you train it, the stronger it becomes. Step 5. Take care of yourself. Your mind is your greatest tool. Sleep well. Eat healthy exercise. Take short breaks during study. A tired brain cannot absorb knowledge. A healthy body supports a sharp mind. Step 6. Reflect and improve. At the end of the day, ask yourself, what did I learn today? What did I do well? What can I improve tomorrow? Reflection keeps you moving forward and prevents wasted effort. 1. Start with intention. Learning with purpose multiplies results. 2. Organize and focus. Consistency beats last-minute effort. 3. Active learning and memory techniques. Understanding greater than memorization. 4. Self-care. Your brain works best when your body is healthy. 5. Reflect daily. Small improvements create top students over time. If you want to become a top student, don't wait for the next exam or next semester. Start today. Make a plan. Focus your mind. Use active study methods. Take care of your body. Review and reflect. Remember, success isn't luck. It's discipline, strategy, and consistent effort. Your dream of becoming the top student is closer than you think. Start now and watch yourself rise to the top.